Welcome to second part of my Didi tutorial. In the second part I am going to tell you how to identify the incorrect edges on a scrambled cube. It is very simple to identify the incorrect edges on a scrambled cube. If we come to incorrect edges, we can say an edge piece is incorrect if, for suppose, if we scramble the cube. As I have practiced the 3D method several times, I can easily identify the incorrect edges. Suppose if you see this piece is incorrect because it cannot. This piece should get here in its rightful position, but I say this piece as incorrect edge because it cannot it cannot be bring down to its original position without using F turn. So I say this is an incorrect edge. If we see, I will say this an incorrect edge because without using an F or B turn, it can be taken to its original position like this. So now I say this is an correct edge. So any piece which can be solved without using F turn or B turn are said to be incorrect. Now if we come to identification of incorrect edges, it is very simple to identify the incorrect edges. If you see any white color or yellow color stickers facing towards upside or bottom side are correct. Once again, any white color or yellow color stickers facing upside or bottom side are always correct. Suppose if we see this yellow sticker is facing towards left side, so this is incorrect. This white sticker is not facing upside, so this is also incorrect. Like this we can say any white color or yellow color stickers facing upside or downside are always incorrect. And any white color or yellow sticker colors facing towards us in this E slice are said to be correct edges. Suppose this white sticker is facing towards us in the F slice in this middle E slice, so this is correct. But if you see this white sticker is facing towards left side in the E slice, so this is incorrect. If it is facing towards back side like this is correct edge. So like this we can say white and yellow, we can identify incorrect edges in white and yellow stickers like this. If they are facing towards upside or bottom side, they are always correct. If white or yellow stickers facing towards us or to back side to us, they are correct in the E slice. But if they are facing towards left side or right side in the E slice, they are incorrect. And coming to next two stickers, they are blue and green stickers. For these stickers also the statements are same. If blue and green stickers facing towards upside or bottom side are correct, blue and green stickers facing in the E slice towards us are backward, facing towards backward are correct. But we may also see the white sticker is also having a blue sticker on it, so we should not see the sticker which is extra sticker to the white sticker. We should only concentrate on white and yellow stickers for these pieces. For this yellow sticker it has a green sticker, so we should count the yellow sticker. But for this the green and red is there, so we should count green sticker. Now if we go for identification, as I told you before, any white sticker or yellow sticker facing towards upside or bottom side are correct. Any white sticker or yellow sticker in the E slice facing towards or away from us in the backward direction are correct. Now if we come to identification in yellow and white stickers, this yellow sticker is facing towards left side, so this is incorrect. This white sticker is facing towards us in the U slice, so this is incorrect. This yellow sticker is facing towards right side, so this is incorrect. And we don't have any white or yellow stickers on the top, so we will come to this C slice. This white sticker is facing towards us, so this is correct. And this green sticker is facing towards left side, so this is incorrect. And we don't have any white or yellow stickers in this C slice. So if we go to the D layer, this yellow sticker is not facing towards bottom side, so this is incorrect. This yellow sticker is also not facing towards bottom side, so this is incorrect. And this white sticker is also incorrect because it is also not facing towards bottom side in the D slice. So now if we count, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 wrong edges till now in white and yellows, and if we come to green and blue stickers, this green is facing towards up, so this is correct. This blue is facing towards right side in the E slice, so this is incorrect. And this green is facing opposite to us in the backward direction, so this is correct. And if we come down, and this blue is facing towards the downside, so this is correct. So if we count the wrong edges, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 8 wrong edges in this cube. Always the incorrect edges will exist in even numbers. So again I will tell the statements of how to identify incorrect edges. Any white or yellow sticker facing towards upside or bottom side are correct. Any white or yellow sticker in the E slice facing towards us or opposite to us in the backward direction, they are correct. And for green and blue edges, any blue or green edges facing towards up or bottom side, they are always correct. Any blue and green edges facing towards us or away from us in the E slice are always correct. But if they are facing towards left side or right side, they are incorrect. This In this way we can identify the incorrect edges on a scrambled cube. Now in my next video I am going to tell you how to correct these all incorrect edges to their oriented positions in my next video. So watch my next video to know how to solve the incorrect edges. Bye.